Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing another product launch video, and we are launching a new product today. It's kind of relaunch because this product has been on sale for a while, and but I didn't actually make a YouTube video on this. So today I decided to make a video, and this is coming with totally new reimagination, and I'll explain you a little bit. So this is a box, you know, which is a replacement of Altoids tin. It makes that whole experience better. It makes the whole experience much more pleasing. Altoids tin, you kind of get it for $6-7 with mints in it. People use it to carry their daily stuff, and they put in their front pocket, back pocket, belt clip. Different use in EDC world. So, but the problem is that tin is not that strong. At the end of the day, it's a candy tin, and the longevity is not that great. You get dents on it. Of course, you cannot change the colors. Of course, you cannot, basically a longevity is a big concern, and the tin gets dented if you put multi-tool in it or stuff like that over the time. Hinge is not that strong. So what I did is I reimagined that and how I can make it better. So this product comes with all kinds of colors. There's really no limitation to colors. OD green, neon orange, forest green, military brown, whatever you want to put, orange, kind of transparent orange, whatever you guys want to do, we can make it possible. Comes with 4 different patterns. This one here is geometric interlocking, very common in EDC world. A lot of knives and multi-tools, they have these kind of pattern. Of course, you cannot go wrong with honeycomb. That's another pattern in this. And then this is a Japanese wave pattern design. It has a great meaning, and I'll put the link of the video with a YouTuber explains the meaning of this pattern, and it means well. In the Japanese culture, originally this originated from China. This pattern, and Japanese culture really adapted back in days. All their emperors, they used this design on their clothing. Recently, Gorak and Carryology use this pattern on their backpacks, on their patches, on their and also some other companies like Hero Clip. They also have a Hero Clip in black and silver. So I think it's great. If you have that, if you have those tools, if you have those backpacks, why not have a storage box matching the same pattern, same colors? So it is possible. And then of course you can have any color with just nothing on it. At this point, I'm not doing any customizations like your own logo and stuff like that, but maybe in future. But another beauty of this is it's really close tight. So if I can show you, this is it comes with the snap lock, so it opens like that, and then it opens just like a regular tin. And this insert here is exactly same dimensions of Altoids tin. So if you have purchased mods to your Altoids tin, they fit perfectly in there. Okay, so that's a beauty of it. So having said all that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to the camera above me and do a little demonstration on this. See how it looks like from inside, and see if you guys can use it. Of course, I'll put the link in the description below to buy this product. Well, thank you for watching, and keep watching PackWiseGear. Thank you. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel PackWiseGear. So what we are looking at is our, I call this mini vault, pocket mini vault, which is what it really is. is a replacement for the Altoids tin box. So this is kind of transparent orange glow, and I just printed this as a different unique color to just to demonstrate to you guys that we can do these boxes as any color possible in the world. Purple, pink, white, blue, black, designs in different patterns and different level of strengths also. Like this one is done in PLA. So PLA is not, keep in mind guys, not heat resistant. It can take a little bit, but not too much. But we have materials which can, okay? So just keeping an eye. So if you're looking for specific color, you can always chat with me that Hassan, we're looking for black and silver, but I want this to be highly heat resistant. Then I have to, give you guys a different color, different material, okay? Because somebody outdoors all day, this will be in sun. But somebody who want to use this as a tech organizer and will be in the backpack, it's totally different ballgame. Okay. Anyways, so these are Japanese wavy pattern, honeycomb, interlock, blank, nothing. And I do have a topo design, which is not here with me. That's another design I have in these boxes. So how do you utilize this? So let's open this one up. So this is black. Another thing we have done is we have put very strong insert. This is really reinforced by, and you can see that with different materials, different design patterns. I really have spent 3 months on testing this product with every way possible. I am using this on a daily basis. Extremely strong hinge, reinforced insert, double locking mechanism. You can close it like that. You also have a snap lock. So really holds things together well. I'm going to load it up. So this is multi-tool, next tool, very popular for Altoids tins. People use it. This is Peak Idea Design. No, not Peak. Sorry, Big Idea Design. Multi-tool / knife. And then I have this pry bar. This is, I think, from this same company, Big Idea Design. And then I have this pen, bolt action pen from Big Idea Design. These tools are regular carry EDC tools out there. So so look at the capabilities I have in this small thingy. I have a multi-tool, pen, knife, and a pry bar. If I'm gonna have a starter kit and a flashlight, this can be a good survival kit. Okay, so which I don't have on my table. So, but just you have room to put things, Band-Aid, credit cards. You can build whatever. So these are a couple of alcohol. What is 75% alcohol prep pads. You can put some credit cards in there. Oh no, it's not gonna take. Maybe let's try. Let's try. Yeah, just gonna it's closing. No, too many credit cards. Let's take a couple of them out. So if you need emergency credit card, what about, can it take one? Yes, it can take one, but not three in this scenario. So yeah, fully load out. Jingles a little bit because I didn't put things in a way it should be. But people are very good at it. There's a lot of YouTubers out there who will tell you how to fill your Altoids tin. They even have magnets on the boundary. Some of them, they will put different kind of tapes up on the top. They have little boxes where you can put like little things. So just search Altoids tin loadouts on YouTube and you'll see a lot of them. I'm not good at it, but they really know how to design this little. So this little thing is exactly same as Altoids tin sizing. So if you have mods, Let's take everything out. If you have mods you have purchased, you can just drop them in there. Okay, so this is, I purchased this a couple of years ago from an Etsy seller for my Altoids tin. And this is 3D printed. I think this is the material the seller is using is PLA, and goes right in there as an insert. Okay, so it can take any inserts you have. You don't have to buy a new one. You don't have to structure a new one. So I make sure of that this space is exactly the same size, because I want people to be not unhappy about it. Here you go, guys. Beautiful box, beautiful storage. Make your own patterns, make your own colors. Perfect gift for dad. Perfect gift for mom to put her stuff in there. Dad can carry the EDC tools. Maybe you can buy this and buy these things and give him a gift. So that's all from my side. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comments below, and I will put the dimensions of the box. The insert dimension is the same as Altoids tin, so don't worry about that. But I'll put because it's plastic, we have to enforce a bit more material, so the dimensions of the box is not same as Altoids. So keep that in mind. This is different dimensions, but it is enforced with a lot of materials to make it much more stronger. Okay, but this size is exactly the same as original Altoids tin. Thank you for watching. Keep watching PackWiseGear. Thank you.